All right, hey guys, I'm so excited to launch this amazing new feature inside Xpress Automations. It's called workflows. So you will be able to see workflows on the left hand side menu over here. Yes, it is still in beta mode, but it's amazing and it's performing really well. This is basically here to create complicated triggers. Instead of having all these different triggers working independently, you can create one single workflow which can have multiple actions, triggers, points, and what if situations coming in together, and you can visually see what is going on and make the step-by-step evaluation of everything that's going on in your system. So let's get into workflows and create one from scratch and see how simple it is. This is a very basic review of it, and we will have more videos coming in with more details and more steps and more actions that you can take inside this amazing new feature added to Xpress Automation. So let's go. We will now create a workflow. So to create a workflow, go into workflows and create a workflow. And there are multiple ways in which you can create a workflow. You can actually add in an existing campaign that you have created already. So any kind of emails and sequences and SMSs that you have, you can import that entire thing here. Or else you can use some pre-made recipes as well, like an appointment booking recipe, a database reactivation recipe, a recipe for a birthday template, a Facebook Messenger one. You can ask for reviews automatically, or a recipe wherein you can have auto missed call text back. So whenever you miss a call from a lead, there will be an automatic text that goes back to them to tell them that immediately that you are a little bit busy right now, but you will get in touch with them shortly, and they can message you any inquiry that they have right now. And the last one is also that an appointment confirmation and reminder sequence is already pre-made in there, so you can use this straight away. Now, for this example, I'm just going to create one from scratch just to make it a bit more simple. So I will select the make from scratch and create new workflow. Now I go inside the workflow maker, and over here I will add a new trigger. So when I add a new trigger, I can actually name this trigger as a form that I'm using to import a lead from Facebook lead ad forms. So I'm going to use this as the form number that I have and a Facebook lead ad for real estate agents. This is my form. So this is just for my understanding. And instead of CRM, I will use Facebook. I will select a form, a lead form, and I will add a filter to show only that form. Otherwise, it'll choose any form is submitted, it'll trigger it. So we don't want that. We want a specific form. So I will go and select the specific form here, and I will save it. So now I have one trigger point here, and then I can take any action when this form is submitted. Along with that, if I want another trigger as well, I don't need to make a separate trigger. I can just add that trigger here inside of workflow. So I'll add another trigger and say that this is form number 23.0, Facebook form for real estate agents. And again, I choose from Facebook and I select Facebook lead form, add a filter which is in form, and then choose the second form that I want here and then save it. So now I have two triggers. If either of these things happen, the next action will be taken up. Okay, so now I will click on the add your first action, and then I will go into, I want to add it to the pipeline. So I will say add or update opportunity, and I'll select that, and then I will say select create opportunity. That's the first opportunity in my pipeline. So I'll just name it there. This is just for my reference here. And then I will choose and select the pipeline that I wanted to go to. So I'll say this pipeline and select the stage. So all the based on the stages that you have in the pipeline, it'll go in there. So I will just choose this as follow up fresh. And then the opportunity name. This one can be a real estate lead. And then I can say contact dot name. Its contact name will come in over there, and then opportunity source. This is a Facebook lead ad. It's worth $1,000. The status of this one will be open, and boom, save. So now every time a lead comes in, an opportunity will be created in there. Then I also want to add a tag, so I'll click another action and add contact tag, and I will add this tag as real estate ad, and I can also add another tag, say Facebook. Or just say Facebook lead ads. Boom. So I have a tag added over here as well. Then I want to send an email. So I will send an email to the client. So and say client is notified, and I'll choose from email. So I'll just choose Ram as expressautomations.com, and I will just choose my other agency name. It's Ram at Marketing Transformers.com, and subject is new lead. And then I'll choose this as contact.name, and I can choose a template that if I already have one. If not, I can literally just quickly write something here. And I will just use custom values and use as you actually, I'm going to send it to the users. I'm going to choose users, the user first name. Okay, there is a new lead. Please contact them ASAP. And then I write the first name, last name, phone, and email. Okay, great. And then I'll just enter those custom values in there as well. So I'll just use the contact. Now I will choose the contact's first name, and then I will choose the contact's last name. And then I will choose the contact's phone number. And then I will add the contact's email. I'm looking forward to convert this client soon. Thanks, Team XA. Okay, great. So this is your email that has been created out, and that will go out to them. If you want to send an attachment, you can send that as well. You can test this email and check if it works correctly. If everything is well, then you will send this email as well. Okay, great. So now this is how your entire workflow is created and it is ready. You can actually test the workflow. And once the workflow is ready, you can actually publish it and go live with it. Because this is a test one, I'm not finishing it up here. I'll just quickly write here the name of this one. Great, and I'll save this one. So now here we go. You have an entire workflow ready to go and multiple triggers, different actions that go one after another that can be set up by you. And let's get this entire workflow live. Let's go, guys. So another great feature by the Xpress Automations team. Very happy with you guys. Thank you. And let's make lives much better and let's grow businesses together. Thank you.